Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Great Game, right? Today we will be discussing the format of the formal letter, the informal letter, and we will also be discussing the format and examples also. I have that for the email and the notice writing, okay? So let me say you this is the best video for you to score a good marks in ICSE class 10. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First we will do the format of the formal letter followed by the informal letter, and then we will move on to the email and notice writing, okay? Right, so let's start with it. The see, for letter it will be of 10 marks total, right? Format letter usually you will get for this type of reasons in your board exams, right? Request or an apology or ordering, inquiry, complaint, any of these, right? So and the format, body expression, it's all I have listed in the side portion. You can check, right? Format in the right portion, 2.5, body 2.5, expression 5 marks. See, expression includes your linguistic ability like ideas, clarity, grammar, punctuation, vocabulary, right? And total 10 marks. And for the format part, you will have to write your own address. So here I have an example for it. Write 52 Astor Apartment, Park Street, Kolkata 7016, right? And then you will leave a line, and then you will write your date. Here I have 21st December 2020. You will write the date according to your exam, right? You all have the exam on 27th Feb, right? So you will write 27th Feb 2023, right? Like that. And then you will write the address of the person you to whom you are sending, like right, like here I have written the principal, Bluebell School, 21 by 1 Broad Street, Kolkata 7019, right? And then you will leave a line, and then remember any one of the two, dear sir or dear madam, any of the two, right? And then you will start your uh, writing, letter writing for formal writing, right? This is to inform you, first paragraph, which should be longer. This will usually deals with the problem, right? You will write here, and then you will leave a line, and then you will start with the second paragraph. This will usually deals with the suggestion, ends with looking forward to, or I will be grateful to you. Like this you will end the formal letter, okay? Leave, then you will leave a line, then write thanking you, yours faithfully, yours truly, any of the two, and then your name, right? Okay. Let's start with the format of the informal letter. These are written to parents, siblings, friends, and close acquaintances, right? You will basically know the other person. They will give you like this only. Mostly, in most cases, you will get either to write to a parent or a sibling or a friend, like this, okay? So here also the same thing. You will write your own address, 52 Astor Apartment, Park Street, Kolkata 7016, right? Like this you will write, then you will leave a line, then write the date, the current date, that is your 27th February 2023, and then you will write my dear, and your either mother or your friend, like this. Then you will write your first paragraph, okay? The introduction, basically you will introduce, like like you will say, I am writing this letter for my birthday party or something like this. In the question they will specify you, and then you will start with the second paragraph. After leaving a line, you will start with the second paragraph, which should be the longest, and then the third paragraph, right? Like you will conclude the letter, okay? And like you can concluding, while concluding you can write I will be expecting your letter soon, or something like this, okay? And then you will write ending, you will write yours affectionately or lovingly, and your name, first name, okay? cause because you this is your informal letter. In case of formal, you will have to write your whole name because the other person doesn't know you. But in this case, you can write your you have to write your first name because the other person obviously knows you. It's either your friends or parents, any of the two. Okay, so now let's move on to the email and notice part, right? Start with the discussion of the notice and the email writing. Okay, right? These two are left. So your question is, your school is hosting an inter-school painting competition. Write a notice for your school informing them of the event. So like this, you will have to give a catchy heading, right? First of all, the heading should be a catchy one, right? So you will write a rainbow. I have written rainbow, and then you will write that something like this: Camlin Inter School Painting Competition. I have written that Camlin because painting competition it is. So you will have to write according to that here, right? The second heading accordingly you will have to write, and then you will write the date on 5th January 2021. This is when I had written my this notice writing. So you will have to write this accordingly, right? You will write since you are giving your paper 27th Feb, right, 2023. So you can write something like 7th March, something like this. Okay, write like this, and then you will write from time. You will have to mention. I have written 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. You will write also like this, something like this. Okay, right? And then for the next one, you will have to write a place, right? Venue. You will have to write a venue. I've written at Khemka Hall, Lake School, something like this. You will also have to write, right? Any hall, any other location, plus something like you will have to. I've given an example, right? At the auditorium, plus you will write, comma, St. James Academy, something like this. Okay, and then you will have to write this, right? You are addressing the audience, right? All pupils from classes 9 and 10 who wish to participate are requested to give their names to Mr. Amit Roy by 25th. I have written 25th December 2020. You will, if you are writing on 7th March, then you will write give their names by 10th March, something like this. 3 to 4 days gap you can write like that. Okay, and then you will write your name. Person writing the notice, that is you will be writing, you will write your name, and then the designation, right? Part of the person writing notice, that is either head boy, head girl, they will tell, or you can write easily, right? Your name and your designation. So, and I have specified the marks, right? Heading, both the headings 1 marks, date half marks, and I have written your, while addressing the audience, 1 marks, and the name and designation 1 marks. Okay, right? So let's move on to the email format. Okay, right? So here we have it for write an email to the principal of a neighboring school informing her of the event and requesting her to send a team to participate, right? So you will first of all write principal.bluebellschool@gmail.com. You will get your half marks here, and then you will write, see, why I was writing for painting, right? So you will here you don't have to write Camlin or something like that, right? Here you will write inter-school painting competition, right? Like this. Okay, half marks you will get, and then dear madam, right? Then you will move on, half marks there also you will get. So here we have it 1.5, and then let's move on to the opening sentence. You will write, our school is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. As part of the celebrations, we are hosting a series of competitions, and we are beginning with Camlin Inter-School Painting Competition. You will mention your catchy heading here, rainbow, for the students of 9 and 12. So this will make your presentation really well. It will have an impact on the examiner who is checking the paper. Okay, so remember this. See, it's not a big deal. Notice format, notice writing and email writing is not something you will easily get 10 out of 10 here. No one will be able to cut your marks if you present it properly, and format should be like appropriate, right, to the mark. Okay, so, and yes, title and everything should be good, right? Then let's move on to the body. It will be held on 5th January 2021. So you will write your your everything, right? Your how much time it will take, and your date you will write, where when you will mention here. Please send a team of five painters from classes 9 and 10 to participate in the event, right? Like this you will write the topic for you can write, you also need to write this, right? The topic for painting will be given to the participants an hour before the competition. Students are requested to bring their own colors and stationery items, right? So at the end, we are to the closing sentence. We look forward to your school's participation in the competition. Here you will get your half marks, and there you will get your 2 marks, and for the opening sentence you will get your half marks. Okay, right? And then you will write end the email writing. You will write thanking you, yours faithfully, your name, and you can write secretary, art club, late school. Okay, right? You will get your half marks, and that completes your 5 marks. So 5 plus 5, 10, and then there in the letter writing you will get your 10 marks. You will all do well. Okay, right? So if you like the content, then please do subscribe our channel, and don't forget to like, share, and share with your friends. Okay, right? So I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep studying. Okay, bye.